Welcome to Mayoworld, where dreams meet global markets. Ever feel lost in the sea of businesses with similar goals? We get it. But here at Mayoworld, we're not just a platform, we're your GPS to international success. Indian manufacturers and wholesalers, listen up. Don't let lack of info and exposure hold you back. Mayoworld is your gateway to global expansion. Small enterprises struggling with finances. Mayoworld isn't just a lifeline, it's your financial guru. Expert counseling and global access, your ticket to business growth. Modern entrepreneurs, manufacturers, and wholesalers, we've got your back. Mayoworld is your secret weapon for secure, transparent global connections. Our user-friendly interface and market-savvy team make us the perfect wingman for your international buying and selling adventures. Premium services? Oh, we've got them. From specialized product sourcing to top-notch advertising, we're not just a platform, we're your business's BFF. Why Mayoworld, you ask? Simple. We're here to broaden horizons, connect global dots, and foster open, honest partnerships. Reliability and accountability are our jam. Ready to unlock global success? Mayoworld is your key. With us, your exporting dreams aren't just dreams, they're a reality. Register at Mayoworld for free and follow us on our social media handles.